Dr. Willams started the Diadema Restoration Project in 2015 to boost Diadema's populations on coral reefs around Puerto Rico. Since the mass mortality, Diadema has not been able to recover. In the early 1980s, the sea urchin species died all over the Caribbean from a waterborne pathogen. After their die-off, the coral reefs changed dramatically, exhibiting more algae and less live coral. Diadema keeps the coral reefs clean by eating the algae that would otherwise overgrow and smother live corals and other reef organisms.
This project is a restoration project. The pilot project kind of started in 2013. And this is based on my dissertation research. Through my dissertation, I found areas where there were hotspots of Diadema settlement. I have mooring lines at the shelf edge, and on each of these mooring lines, we attach what we call settlement plates. What we're trying to do with this project is to bring the really small, tiny settlers, the post-larval settlers, bring them back to lab, and then grow them to larger sizes so they have a better chance of surviving on the reef. When we pick off the Diadema off the plates, I then bring them into these tanks. They're at different life stages. You know, some have been collected in the beginning of the summer, some have been collected last month. These are the older ones that we've collected in July. So you can see they have already grown in size. It's a pretty cool project. This is the only of its kind in the Caribbean right now. And we hope that we can continue with these efforts and start, moving Diadema to more reefs around Puerto Rico and possibly maybe the USVIs.